Hey guys, welcome to Baddi Maga channel where I'm hoping you'll find interesting things to learn. I'm talking about food and beverages, of course. And as you can probably tell, this is my new channel. And for the first video, we're gonna make something called Mag Shuka, and you'll learn why at the end of this video. So, Maggi is often referred to as a bachelor's dish because it takes little to no effort in preparing. But it has been raining since the past 2 days continuously, and today we're gonna put in some extra effort to try and not make it a bachelor's dish. We are gonna use some extra vegetables, but at the end of the preparation, it's gonna be a semi-vegetarian dish or semi-non-vegetarian dish, and you're gonna see why. So I'm gonna use veg atta noodles, which comes with a tiny bit of veggies inside the masala packets. But as mentioned, we are gonna use some extra veggies. So I'm gonna use some onions, some red onions, some carrots, and some chilies because I like mine extra spicy. I have chopped them into really tiny pieces because that's how I like them. If you want bigger chunks, go for it, but I guess bigger chunks will take more time cooking. But then again, you're gonna be the judge of what vegetables to use and how finely to chop them, because you're after all the Chef John of what's going on your cutting board. So the first thing you need to do is briefly saute these vegetables in some cooking oil along with some cumin and mustard. Cook the veggies until the onions become translucent and carrots become soft. And once you're happy with your veggies, lower the heat and start adding some water. Make sure you adjust the water as per the number of Maggi sheets that you're going to use. I'm just making it for myself, so I'm going to use 2 Maggi sheets, I guess you could call it. So once the water comes to a boil, you can add the masala pack. I think it's time to add the Maggi sheets. So like I said, I'm just making it for myself. So I'm using 2 sheets. Make sure you adjust the water. So the Maggi is ready. But as I mentioned, we're gonna make this into a semi non-vegetarian dish. So what we're gonna do is crack an egg right in the middle. And simply continue cooking. So the reason I'm calling this Mag Shuka is because the other day I was watching Shakshuka recipe and I was like, why not try this with Maggi? Our Magshuka is almost ready to enjoy, guys. But before that, you're gonna have to do some finishing touches, right? That's better. So once you have Maggi like this, you are never gonna go back to having it the bachelor way, because this is no longer a bachelor's dish. This was a lot of effort. So let me know what you guys think of the Magshuka in the comments down below, and do share it with your friends and family who might be interested in having Maggi in a different way. And if you haven't done it already, please do hit the like button and subscribe button. And I'm hoping to come back with another interesting recipe.